Here we go. Yeah. On our flight. Don't be good now. Okay guys, sorry.
What? Why are they out of everything? They're like out of the most basic shit. Rice,
we don't have rice and
ice.
beans.
Yeah.
And ice.
What's it called? Arapa. I'm enjoying my chicken arapa. Arapa. Venezuelan food.
I don't know.
It's really good.
Honestly, yeah, I'm not
Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna start this vlog off fresh and positive because my new MacBook arrived. So I briefly said in my last vlog that I ordered a new MacBook. I've been wanting a new MacBook for like a long time, and then when I upgraded my camera I was like, okay, now I really need a new MacBook because the camera files are so big and like high tech that my MacBook can't process it, and the like coding and the processor, and it's really hard to edit on, and my editing is just like not as good as it could be because the machine's so slow. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I have, you know, I've never ever in my life of buying electronics never bought anything new. I've always bought everything secondhand. So this is really nice. Like, I worked so hard for this, and yeah, they were having an amazing sale on the MacBooks here in America, so I thought I just had to bite the bullet. I wanted to get it after summer, after I've kind of done all my holidays, because like budget. I need to see if I have enough like money, but it just means I have to be super, well, not like just watch my money on my next holidays. Okay guys, I feel like this is going to be a good memory, buying my MacBook in Miami. Thriving. Okay guys, let's open her up. New MacBook, the vlogs are gonna be unreal now. It's so big, I love it. Yay. Yeah, welcome to the vlog guys. I got a new MacBook. It's Friday here in Miami. We've got 3 more full days. I'm really struggling. We're drunk a lot. I'm not sure what we're gonna do tonight, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog.
Work it a little, get hot, just a little, me. Corset, white skirt, and these new black boots I bought. I'm gonna have my espresso martini now.
Where's the dress from?
AliExpress. Shoes from Princess Polly.
Love.
And
Yes.
jewelry AliExpress.
Make way, we love the hair, makeup, slay girl.
Baby oil.
Honey Bidet, bougie.
She's a bougie bitch.
Zara,
Zara.
Tony Bianco.
Oh, give me a twirl around in those boots right there. Look at
that booty in those boots.
Hair, myself, makeup, Melissa.
You look hot. Are you ready for a night out in Miami?
Ready for, where are we going? South Beach.
We don't know.
South Beach, Miami, baby. We're in Miami, guys. Where are we? We're in Miami. Melissa just stopped her lip gloss. We're in Miami. Afternoon guys, so I just did my makeup here and this is the fit. It's 3:30 and we are going on a boat party in Miami. I'm so excited. It's gonna be such a good day. It's already like 35 degrees outside. It's so hot.
Yeah, 32.
Going on a boat. We're going
It's
on a boat.
Fucking hot.
We're going on a boat. We're going on a boat. This is the fit. Faye bikini, body chains, little glittery slides. We are going on a boat party in Miami because you didn't do Miami unless you went on a boat. So, let's go!
Nice.
Yay! Where are you going?
We are going on a boat party.
Let's go! Yeah, we are! Hey guys, it's 4 o'clock. We got back from the boat party. Like, you know, see the skyline of Miami and everything. Like, that was unreal and like that was pretty sick to see all that. But we're pulling through. I really want to be on that pillow sleeping, but it's 4 a.m. Miami has this club called Space. That's like a morning get lit club. We're heading there at 4 a.m. to have a breakfast rave and we are so dead. We're in Miami! We're alive. We can't even order our poke bowls because we're so delusional. We haven't slept for 6 days. We've done Miami right.
I'm eating poke bowls for breakfast at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Guys, magic chocolate bar. Cheers. Cheers to Miami, guys.
Moon and back.
Yay. To be. Let's go. When we're in Miami.
Should have got the name.
He's got 5 pairs of glasses on. Goodbye, Miami. We made it. Barely.
It was a trip, to say the least.
Yeah, we're dying.
Trips and
But we had a great time.
Yes.
Memories for life.
life.
We're ready for the next trip. See you later, guys. Welcome, guys. We've made it to the airport. Melissa almost forgot her passports. But what a holiday. We just said goodbye to Darren and Cap. It was so much fun, like memories for a lifetime, stories for a lifetime. And now we are getting on our flight to go to London, England. Woo woo. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and I hope you guys enjoyed Miami. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Wanna be just like you.